Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Hotel and Hospitality. This is Naveen Kumar Mirgu. Today I'm going to discuss about the basic topic in food production department, that is roux. So let us understand what is roux and what are the different types and varieties of roux and their preparation. Before going into the topic, please do encourage me with your lovely subscriptions and likes, and also please do not forget to share with your friends and colleagues. Before going to discuss in detail about the roux, let us understand from where this roux has been originated and who had introduced this particular roux. It was during 17th century. This roux has been introduced as a thickener and binder in the classic French cuisine. Roux is a mixture of equal amount of flour and butter cooked together for a short time till the raw smell of flour goes away and to achieve the desired color. Roux is cooked to various stages depending upon the type of dish and the sauce which we are going to prepare. Roux can be white, blonde and brown roux. So basically there are three types of roux we have. They are white roux, blonde roux and brown roux. White roux is cooked just long enough to get rid of the raw taste of the flour and is specifically used in the preparation of bechamel sauce. Blonde roux is cooked to a pale golden color. Brown roux is cooked until a light brown color is obtained and is used in the preparation of demi-glace and the espagnole sauce. While I am referring to this particular topic, it was more interesting for me that I got to know there are two more types of roux. They are Creole roux and Cazoun roux. So let us understand what is this Creole and Cazoun roux and from where does they come from and what cuisine they belongs to and what are the differences between this Creole and Cazoun roux and the basic types of roux. Basically, Creoles and Cazouns are the settlers of New Orleans City in Louisiana. While Creole food is termed as a city food and Cazoun food is termed as a country food. So what is the speciality of this Creole and Cazoun cuisine? This Creole and Cazoun have the strong roots and the influence of French cuisine with a small nod to Spain, Africa and Native America. A typical Creole roux is prepared out of flour and butter as in France, while a Cazoun roux is prepared out of lard or oil with flour. This is partly due to the scarcity of dairy products in some of the areas of Acadiana while the Cazoun cuisine is being developed. Creole brown roux is just cooked more than a French brown roux. It is used as a thickener, but just it is cooked longer than the French roux does add some flavor to it. Its color begins where the French roux ends. Cazoun roux can be from light brown to very deep, dark and nutty brown color. Roux is used in Cazoun cuisine for flavor rather than thickening. When roux is cooked to a dark brown color, it loses much of its thickening power. Nutty roux is the basis for many Cazoun classic dishes, adding a unique richness and depth. It is the secret ingredient of Cazoun food. We must also understand some of the terminology when learning about roux. They are: in French, butter is termed as beurre. Beurre fondue stands for melted butter. Beurre blanc means white butter sauce. Beurre noise stands for brown butter sauce and beurre noir stands for butter melted in very low heat for a longer duration of time to a nut brown color and has more earthy and coffee-like complexity. This is the basic understanding of the roux and its various types. Hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubts, please do mention in the comment box. And also please do not forget to like and subscribe. It gives me a lot of encouragement to do more videos for you guys. Thank you and see you soon.